everybody, let's do a craft. But not just any craft. We're gonna do a last minute, this is gonna happen in no time, cutest little ornament craft ever. You could put it on a package, you could adorn a tree with it, but I'm gonna show you how to use it to package the cutest hostess gift. So if you didn't get it, we're making the cutest fortune cookie ornaments. And what you're gonna need from this is felt, but like a little bit of a stiffer felt than just your basic felt. We're gonna need string, some little things to adorn it. I'm using a pom-pom, I'm using a little bead, and then we're gonna use ribbon for our message. All right, step one, we're using that little bit of a thicker type of felt, and I have a 6-inch diameter bowl, and I'm just drawing around the bowl onto the felt, and then I'm just gonna cut that out. All right, so you have your circle cut out. Next thing you're gonna do, think about a fortune cookie. The fortune's gonna go in. And with our fortune, we just use this printed little holiday ribbon. You could use anything. This doesn't have to be just for holiday, does it?
It could be for everything.
I know.
Think a birthday to-go bag. So cute.
It. So I laid my ribbon in, and this is how you fold a fortune cookie. So the ends come up to the side, and then you push your finger just in the middle. It's that quick. Look, fold, and then push your finger in and grab the top. All right, step 3. We have our fortune cookie together, and I'm taking just some embroidery thread and a needle. David has chosen a needle that's large enough to sew a whale's stomach back together. I don't know. We're just gonna tie off the bottom of this ornament. Do you see that? And just tie a little knot. And then at this point, your fortune cookie is staying together. Like the top, your felt is so thick, it's fine. You wouldn't have to like tie anything on the top, which is what we're gonna do next to make an ornament. Like how fun would this be if there were just like hundreds of them?
I would love that.
At a table, or I love this as a little place card for someone at a dinner, right? All right, so we're gonna tie this off and then tie another string on the top. So I've secured the bottom, and now I'm just working the top, and this is the fun part where you get to adorn it however you like. I have some beads. Can you see my beads in there, David? I'm putting like a single bead and then a pom-pom. Then I'm just putting the needle right straight through.
Cute.
Is that right? I don't think it needs anything else. I'm just gonna cut it off, and I'm gonna knot this. And when I knot it, then I would have created a loop that I could hang it on the tree. So that's super simple. But that's not what we're gonna do, David. We're not gonna hang it on the tree, are we?
No.
We'll just wait. How cute are these?
So cute.
I can't even. So we took the fortune cookie ornaments and attached them to just colored Chinese takeout containers. Oh my gosh, you could get, I love the idea of these, which is the white with the dragon on the side of them.
Oh, my favorite.
So cute. Now what are we gonna put in here? I like the idea of fortune cookies. Now you could go buy fortune cookies to put inside the boxes, and that would be a cute gift. But how about we make some homemade sprinkled fortune cookies, David?
Ooh.
Okay, let's do it. Look how cute are the sprinkled fortune cookies. So I'm just gonna fill my container with those. So cute. Pack that up. Now you can get the recipe on LibbieSummers.com for the fortune cookies. There they are.
That is the best.
Is that the cutest hostess gift ever? I can't even. I'm so excited about it. Again, get the recipe on LibbieSummers.com for the fortune cookies and the how-to, like step-by-step of the fortune cookie ornament as well. Happy holidays!